Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering what you need: the recovery code, the device where you usually sign in, and a stable internet connection. Sign into Gmail and, when asked for a password, choose the recovery option or try another way. Make sure the account email shown matches yours and quickly scan recent activity to verify it's your account. Once done, select the option to enter a recovery code so you can proceed to the verification step without delays. Now enter the recovery code exactly as given. Pay attention to characters that look alike. If Gmail asks for two-step verification or to confirm an alternate email or phone, follow those prompts in order. They're there to prove it's really you. Make sure you're on a trusted device and a usual browser to avoid triggering extra security checks. Once Gmail verifies the code, it may ask you to confirm settings or create a new password, so follow the on-screen guidance carefully to secure access. Finish by resetting your password if prompted and immediately update recovery options, so this is easier next time. If the recovery code fails, recopy it from the source or request a new one and wait 5 to 10 minutes before retrying, because codes can expire or be single-use. If you still can't get in, switch to another trusted device and run the Google account recovery flow. That alternate path often surfaces different verification options. Make sure to record.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.